We begin tonight's broadcast in Orangeburg. That's where two women are facing kidnapping and neglect charges after deputies say vulnerable adults were found living in poor conditions. News 19's Megan Dowkshes has the details.
Deputies say the investigation began after a community health worker raised concerns about the care of several people at a home on Bowman Branch Highway. An incident report says the worker told investigators she saw a frail, blind man left on the floor in just a diaper while caregivers stepped over him. When deputies arrived, they made contact with 19-year-old Octavia Brown, who led them inside. Investigators say they found residents in unsanitary conditions: urine on the floor, minimal bedding, dirty clothes, and rooms secured with padlocks that could not be opened from the inside. The report states Brown told a deputy the padlock was in so the residents would not walk off. Paramedics took all to MUSC Orangeburg for medical care, while the Department of Social Services placed them in protective custody. Investigators say 65-year-old Eula Mae Jones and her granddaughter, 19-year-old Octavia Jamira Brown, each face 5 counts of kidnapping and neglect of a vulnerable adult. Both posted bond at $15,000. The Department of Public Health confirms the home was not licensed as a care facility. We reached out to the Department of Social Services to ask if they are placing the patients in a new home. In a statement, they said, quote, "The closing of a facility or boarding home may happen for numerous reasons, and that DSS and Adult Protective Services is willing to assist the residents if they consent, along with representatives from the Department of Aging." Authorities say the investigation is ongoing as they continue to determine the full extent of neglect at the home. In Orangeburg County, Megan Dowkshes, News 19, WLTX.
And one other note tonight about this story: inspectors condemned the home, citing unsafe floors, unsanitary conditions, and structural concerns.